welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this white piece of paper and of course my black marker. Can you guess what animal I'll be drawing today? It's an extinct animal. That's right, it is a dinosaur. It's gonna be the daring dino. Are you ready to draw another dinosaur with me? Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with drawing the dinosaur's head first. The dinosaur that I'm drawing has a very small head but a very long neck. So here is the head right there. And then I'm going to draw in eyes for the dinosaur, which will be 2 circles. And then I'm going to draw in pupils for the eyes as well. So there you go, we have our dinosaur head. And as I mentioned, for this dinosaur, I want them to have nostrils. So 2 nostrils there, and then a mouth. So there we have our head of our dinosaur. What do you think? Pretty cute so far, right? And then just gonna draw a lower lip for the dinosaur, and I'll draw the neck next. So here I mentioned dinosaur has a really long neck. Do you know what kind of dinosaur has a really long neck? According to my son, a brachiosaurus do have a long neck. And here I'm gonna draw the body of the dinosaur as well, along with the tail. So it's like this one big curve you see here. Okay, next I'm gonna draw parallel to that line, the other side of the neck, and extend downwards onto the leg for the dinosaur. So here, why don't I just draw one of the legs here first? That way I can connect that leg to the bottom of the mouth. And you can see the long neck for the dinosaur. And then here I'll draw on the back leg right there. And of course, I need the back leg for the dinosaur on the back. So there's part of the leg. There you go. So now I'm also going to connect the line here to show the belly of the dinosaur. You can see the body of the dinosaur is coming out nicely. Now, I know nobody's ever seen a dinosaur before, so I think we can have the liberty to be more creative with how we do our dinosaur and also what colors that we want to use. Well, before we get to choosing colors, of course, we should add in a long tail for our dinosaur. And here, for my brachiosaurus, I'm going to do a really long tail on the side. Of course, for you, your drawing can be even longer for the tail or have a very short tail if you want. Here you see it. I just added in some toes for the brachiosaurus. And of course, I want to add in some background. So let's start by drawing in some clouds, some fluffy clouds in the background. How does that look? Of course, I want to do maybe a moon or a sun in the background that's hiding in behind the clouds. And then I'm gonna add in maybe some leaves, because I think that brachiosaurus is a vegetarian, right? I think he eats vegetables and greenery, so let's add in some food on the side. Dinosaurs have been very popular characters in my household as of late, so I've been learning lots about different types of dinosaurs. For this dinosaur, I think I will add some spots on the back. I'm going to do some big spots, some little spots, some around the tail here as well, and then maybe some around the top of his head. And like I mentioned, no one's really seen a real dinosaur before, so who's to say that the way I'm drawing it is not how a real dinosaur looks like? I'm told that dinosaurs has feathers as well, but unfortunately for this one that I'm drawing, there are no feathers for the dinosaur that I'm drawing. But if you would like, you could add feathers to your dinosaur. Here, I'm just about finished with my outline for my dinosaur. I'm gonna get on to coloring. And for the sun, I think I'll color in this bright orange color. And I'm coloring and making sure I fill in all the spaces and leaving no white spaces and coloring within the lines. If you like at this point, you can add little birds flying in the background, or you can have other dinosaurs or other animals that are hanging out with this brachiosaurus. I'm going to use this bright green, light green to color in my dinosaur. Of course, for yourself, I wonder what kind of color you use. Would you use your favorite color? And what is your favorite color? Is it blue, purple, red maybe? So if you want, you can even make your like a rainbow color dinosaur. Who's to say that dinosaurs aren't rainbow color? No one's ever seen a dinosaur before, right? So here I'm just taking my time and coloring in my dinosaur. If you like these types of videos, I do have other videos of drawings of different characters and animals that you can check out as well. And as always, if there's other animals or characters you'd like me to draw in some upcoming drawing, please feel free to comment below, and I will love to hear from you and maybe draw it for my next drawing. Here I'm just coloring in the back of the dinosaur, and I of course can't forget the tail. If you like, you can have a different color for the tail for the dinosaur. But coloring is one of my favorite parts because it's so fun trying to use different colors combinations, because you never know how they will look at the end. After adding this green, I wonder what I should color for the leaves that are behind the dinosaur. I don't think I want to use the same color, but I think it'll be nice to have a different shade of green perhaps. After all, there are many different types of green. Emerald, olive. So it's good to learn about different shades of colors as well. Here I have the lilac or purple, light purple, that I'm coloring in for all the spots on the dinosaur. Of course, you can do different color spots throughout the dinosaur. It could be some red, orange, yellow. I think that would look really cool as well. And if you don't want your dinosaur to have spots, you can also do stripes or other types of shapes like stars or hearts that you like. Now I'm just picking up my blue color to color in the clouds. And yeah, sometimes the way I decide what colors I want to use is depending on who I plan on gifting this drawing to. If I'm gifting it to a friend that I know they have a favorite color, I might use that. So yeah, just gonna finish by coloring in the bush right here. But thank you so much for joining me on this video on drawing for kids on this daring dino. I really enjoy so much painting dinosaurs, and I hope you enjoy painting dinosaurs with me too. Well, I'm just gonna finish and wrap up by coloring this dinosaur, and I'll see you next time in another drawing for kids. Stay safe and stay creative. Bye for now. Thank you.